Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about Microsoft being a little heavy on promotions sometimes, and particularly when we talk about their own products and services. And this is nothing new, as now there is, of course, one with Microsoft Edge that is popping up across some users in the US, Canada, and a few European countries. Now, one thing is that we have to be fair that on not only Microsoft does that, a lot of I use Edge and on Google pages and services, I don't know how many times I get pop-ups that tell me, oh, well, you would be much better using Google Chrome. So, everybody's trying to lure you into whatever they want you to use. But this time around, it's a pop-up. There's a pop up that appears on the upper right corner of Edge for some of you, and it gets kind of interesting because they're offering you to win possibly $1 million US or a car and thousands of instant prizes. If you use Edge, if you scan the code and use the Edge app on your phone, if you use even other services, OneDrive, if you have some extensions that bring Microsoft rewards, things like that, they're really trying to bribe you into using Microsoft Edge so you can possibly win something. So, this is the latest in what Microsoft is trying to do to get people using Edge. And, one of the things that I hate about this is not that, they're trying their best to get you to use Edge, but in this world where one of the things that I always hate is QR codes for me could be very dangerous. They could bring you to a page which is, some kind of malware or phishing attempt page. So in this world where pop-ups, everybody's getting kind of, weary and they're not sure what is that a virus or anything. And I get asked all the time about some of the pop-ups. Some people send me, emails with pictures or screenshot telling me, oh, is this dangerous? Is this normal? Do I have a virus? And I could see people with this saying, well, I think I got a virus. I got this thing that says that Microsoft rewards $2 million and all of that. It looks like what we often see as scams over the internet. I think, the idea of it is it should be done differently. I think this is kind of not the best way to promote Microsoft Edge. Go ahead if you want to have people win $1 million, but I don't know. These are the kind of things that I hate and I think shouldn't be done in that kind of way. There are so many other ways to just tell you, well, if you want to join in, I don't know, that seemed better than having people scan QR codes from who knows where. I mean, the code is clearly from a Microsoft page, but with the spoofing, you never know today. And I don't know. This is something I don't like. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.